how to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. So first go to your TikTok application and then here tap on your profile. After coming to your profile, you can see that there is a heart shaped icon. Just tap on it and here you can see all your liked videos on TikTok. You can just simply go to any video and unlike it. But if you want to unlike all videos at once, then just tap on three lines which you can see on the top right and then go to settings and privacy. After coming to settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on report a problem. And then you will be directed to this page. Here just scroll down and tap on follow/likes/comments. Then tap on likes and then tap on other. Then you will be directed to this page and then just tap on no. Then press need more help. And now here you can ask TikTok unlike all your liked videos and then just submit it. It will take some time but it will work. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.